Welcome to English Trending Podcast. Speak confidently, grow daily, and stay trending. Let's start. Jessica, I want to ask you something.
Yes, go ahead.
Do you remember your first job interview? When they said, "Tell me about yourself." What happened?
Oh, Chris, please don't ask me that.
What happened? Tell us.
Okay, fine. I forgot everything. I knew my name, I knew my job, but when that question came, my brain just stopped. I said, so actually I am, and the interviewer just looked at me.
Oh, no.
It was very bad, Chris. Very, very bad.
And here's the interesting thing. Jessica is an English teacher today. She helps hundreds of students every month, and even she had that moment. So if you felt that fear before, when someone asked you to introduce yourself, you are not alone.
Not alone at all. And it is not your fault. Nobody taught us the right way.
And that is what we are doing today. Welcome to English Trending Podcast. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jessica.
Today we talk about 5 mistakes people make when they introduce themselves.
And after this episode, you will know exactly what to say.
Stay with us. Let's start. Okay, Jessica, first question. Why is self-introduction so important? It's just a few sentences, right?
That's what many people think, Chris. But it is actually very important
Why?
because it is your first impression. And your first impression, people remember for a long time.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure. Think about a job interview, or your first day at a new job, or meeting new people at an event. All of these moments start the same way. Someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
And you have maybe 60 seconds?
Actually, less. People decide how they feel about you in the first 7 seconds.
7 seconds only?
7 seconds, Chris.
That is very fast.
It is fast. But here's the good news. If you know what not to do, those 7 seconds can go very well.
And that is why we have this episode today.
Exactly. 5 mistakes, simple fixes, and a full example at the end.
Okay, listeners, are you ready? Let's go to mistake number 1. But Jessica, before mistake 1, I want to do something.
What?
I want everyone listening right now to remember one moment. Maybe a job interview, maybe school, maybe meeting new people. Someone said, "Tell me about yourself." And suddenly, everything stopped.
Yes, that feeling is very real. Your heart beats fast, your mouth feels dry, and you say things like, so basically, I am.
And the worst part, you knew what you wanted to say. The words were in your head, but they just didn't come out right.
And then people think, my English is very bad.
But is that the real problem?
No, Chris, that is not the real problem. The real problem is nobody taught them a simple method. They don't know what to say first, or second, or third. So they just talk, and it gets messy.
So today, we give them the method.
Today, we give them the method. And it is very simple.
I love it. Okay, mistake number 1, let's go. Jessica, what is mistake number 1?
Mistake number 1 is very common. I hear it every day. People start their introduction with, myself.
Oh, like myself, Chris, and I am from London.
Yes, exactly like that.
Okay, I have to be honest. I said this before. Many people say this. What is wrong with it?
So in English, myself is used in a different way. You use it when you do something alone. For example, I made this food myself, or I hurt myself.
Okay, so it means you did something by yourself.
Correct. You do not use myself to say your name. It is wrong in English grammar.
So what is the correct way?
Very simple. Just say, "Hi, I'm Chris." "Hello, my name is Jessica." "Good morning, I'm Sarah."
That's it? So simple?
That's it. Simple words, clear voice. That already sounds very confident and professional.
Okay, listeners, say it right now out loud. Hi, I'm your name. Go on, say it.
That already sounds much better. One small change, but people notice it immediately.
Small change, big difference. I love that. Okay, mistake number 2.
Okay, Chris, mistake number 2. This one makes me smile every time
Why?
because it happens so often. When people are nervous, they talk too much. They tell everything about their life.
Like what?
Like, I was born in a small village. My father works in a bank. My mother stays at home. I have one brother and 2 sisters. In school, I was a quiet student.
Wait, I just wanted to know your name and your job.
Exactly! But the nervous person keeps going and going
Why do they do this?
because they are nervous. When we feel nervous, we talk more. We go back to things that feel safe, like talking about family and childhood. But a self-introduction is not your life story.
So, what is it?
Think of it like a movie trailer. Not the full movie, just the trailer. The short, exciting part that makes people want to know more.
Oh, I really like that. Movie trailer, not the full movie.
People want to know 3 simple things. Who are you now? What do you do? What do you want?
Short, clear, focused.
Always.
Great. Okay. Mistake number 3. Jessica, is this the one about talking without a plan?
Yes. And this one is very important.
Let's talk about it. Mistake number 3. Speaking without structure. Jessica, what does this mean?
So, some people don't say myself. They don't tell their full life story. But they still make this mistake. They just talk without any plan. No order, no structure.
What does that sound like?
It sounds like, Hi, I'm Ria. I like cooking. I'm from Delhi. I finished college in 2021. I want a job in HR. My hobby is reading. I did a short course last year. I have one sister.
I am confused.
Yes, the listener feels confused too, because there is no order. The person jumps from one thing to another.
And when people feel confused,
They stop listening.
so what is the solution?
A simple structure, 5 parts, and I want everyone to write this down.
Go ahead, Jessica. We are listening.
Part 1, name. Say your name. Part 2, present. What are you doing now? Part 3, background. Where did you study? What did you do before? Part 4, goal. What do you want for your future? Part 5, personality. 1 sentence about who you are.
Name, present, background, goal, personality. Say it with me, listeners. Name, present, background, goal, personality.
Now let me show you how this sounds. Hi, I'm Ria. Right now, I work in a shop as a sales assistant. I finished my college studies in business. My goal is to get a job in human resources. I am a friendly and hardworking person.
See, that is so clear. I know who she is. I know what she does. I know what she wants.
5 sentences only.
5 sentences. Beautiful.
And when you practice this structure, it becomes very easy. You don't have to think. It just comes out naturally.
Name, present, background, goal, personality. This is the most important thing in today's episode. Remember it. Okay, mistake number 4. Jessica, I think this one is a little emotional.
Yes, this one is close to my heart.
What is mistake number 4?
Mistake number 4 is saying sorry before you even start.
What do you mean?
People say things like, Sorry, my English is not very good. I am a little nervous today. Please excuse me. I will make mistakes. I am sorry.
Okay, I understand why people say this. They are nervous. They want to be honest.
Yes, and I understand completely. But here is the problem. When you say, "My English is not good," the listener starts to look for proof.
Oh, they start to check your English more carefully.
Exactly. Every small mistake now feels bigger to them. Every pause feels longer. You created the problem yourself.
By saying it out loud.
Yes.
So what should people do instead?
Change what you think confidence means. Many people think confident means speaking fast. Confident means zero mistakes. Confident means perfect English. But that is not true.
So what is confidence?
Confidence is speaking slowly and clearly, looking at people when you talk, smiling, taking a small pause when you need to think.
It's how you speak, not what you say.
Perfectly said, Chris. Some of my best students, they are not perfect in grammar, but they speak with good energy, and that energy says, "I am ready. I belong here."
So next time you feel nervous, don't say it. Just breathe, stand up straight, and start talking.
Your body will help you.
I love this. Okay, last mistake, number 5. Jessica, nobody thinks about this one.
Nobody thinks about the ending.
Let's talk about it. Mistake number 5. What is it?
Ending your introduction with no energy.
What does a weak ending sound like?
It sounds like, "So yes, that is about me. I think that is all." And then the person just stops and looks down.
Oh, I have done this.
We all have. But here's something important. People remember the last thing you say.
More than the first thing?
Sometimes more, yes. So your last sentence is very important. It must show energy. It must show you are happy to be there.
Give us some examples.
Instead of, "That is all," you can say, "I am very excited about this opportunity. I look forward to working here." Or, "I always want to learn new things, and I think this is a great chance to grow." Or simply, "I work hard and I love new challenges. I am ready to give my best."
1 or 2 sentences only. But it changes everything.
It shows you are positive. It shows you are ready. And people remember that feeling.
End strong. Always.
Always.
Perfect. So we have all 5 mistakes now. Jessica, let's put everything together. Show us the perfect introduction. Okay, everyone. This is the moment you waited for. Jessica, show us a perfect, confident introduction. No mistakes.
Okay, here we go. Good morning. My name is Priya, and I am happy to be here today. Right now, I work as a customer service assistant. I help customers every day and answer their questions. I finished my college studies in business and commerce. My goal is to grow in my career and take on more responsibility in a good team. I am a hardworking and positive person. I like learning new things, and I enjoy working with people. I am very excited about this opportunity, and I will give my best every day.
Wow, that was really good, Jessica.
Thank you.
No, seriously, no myself, no family history, clear and simple structure, no sorry. And that ending, I will give my best every day. Whew, that is strong.
And anyone can do this. It is not about a perfect accent. It is not about difficult words. It is about a simple method and practice.
Method and practice. Remember that, everyone. Jessica, one last thing before we finish. What do you want to say to the person listening right now who thinks, this sounds good, but I cannot do this?
I want that person to hear this. No one is born confident. Every person you see today, someone who speaks well, who looks comfortable, they were once nervous too. Just like you, just like me. The only thing that changed for them? They practiced. Every day. A little bit. Confidence is not something you are born with. It is a skill. And skills get better every time you use them.
So, start today.
Start today, not tomorrow. Write your introduction tonight. Say it out loud. Say it again tomorrow, and again the next day. Every time you practice, you get a little better and a little more confident.
That is beautiful, Jessica. Thank you. Okay, everyone, that is the end of today's episode of English Trending Podcast.
But before you go, we have a small challenge for you.
Yes, write your self-introduction in the comments. Use the structure: name, present, background, goal, personality. Show us what you can do.
I read all the comments, and I may give you feedback on yours.
If this episode helped you, please share it with one friend and subscribe to English Trending Podcast so you never miss a new episode.
Every week, we bring you simple, useful English that helps you in real life.
Your confidence starts today.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, everyone. Take care.